Hey guys, my name is Shirley and now I'm here at the place where we're gonna swim. So it's very beautiful, very cool place, and I'm just gonna go there and let's see what the view looks like from there. Wow, oh my gosh, it's so cool. The waves, look at the waves, like look at it. I'm just gonna go down now because so actually we're going to the main shop or the palenque to buy some clothes, and I think we're also gonna buy some food. And then so this is actually the place, guys. Going back there now to our car. Like, just kind of that the place of it is really very beautiful, and it is success. We're going I don't know. We're here now at some kind of restaurant here at this place. And then there is another swimming pool. Later at part 4, I'm gonna show you that. And then it's just very beautiful. I really like it. Hi. That's a swimming pool. That's another swimming pool. And that's chairs. That I think is a cottage, but I'm not sure. That's chairs. That's my sister. This is my grandma. That is my grandma. That is my grandpa. And it's a restaurant. Wow. Very beautiful scenery. I'm trying to go at the swimming pool. Let's go at the swimming pool. It's a swimming pool and it's very beautiful. It's called Hermanus. Ashker. My sister is afraid of the sand. The waves are like so cool right now. So guys, we're just gonna be resting and be waiting for my father and my stepmother to come, and also because like they just go at a thing like called palenque, and yeah, later when they come, I'm gonna swim, hopefully, and then I'm gonna record, and yeah, so bye guys!